to my very first vlog. So if you see me get a little nervous, if I stumble over my words, if I look crazy in this camera, let's just all bear with each other. We're gonna do what we're gonna do. We're gonna have fun, and we just gonna make the best of the time that we have. Hair is busting, hair is giving. Hair was, guess what, done by me. It is Leo season, baby. The lions are out and we ready, okay? As y'all can see, Sophie is right here doing what she does best. Nothing. Fucking nothing. We actually just got back from doing some mini hauls, and I also just got back from my very first facial. I have a thing for supporting black-owned businesses, so of course I had to find me a girl that looks like me to slay this here face. Okay, your girl is going through some acne problems, so if you see a little shum
my business.
But anyway, y'all, I picked someone named Patsy Randall on Style C. She is located here in Dallas, Texas. She just recently moved into her first suite, so your girl is just getting it. Put the link above and in the description box, because we are supporting our people. We are supporting black-owned businesses. We are supporting the girls. We going to them. We are leaving reviews. We are leaving tips, honey. We doing it. We're doing it. And I'm very, very much excited for sis, because it's just like the girls are succeeding. We are going after our dreams. We are just doing the things that need to be done, and we making a name for ourselves. We are becoming who we are supposed to be, and I just love it. So without further ado, or do, whatever they say, I don't know. We gonna learn together, y'all. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. And if you got a problem with that, you go ahead and exit this video, baby. Yeah, you can fight me. We can go ahead.
Fight.
Post up.
Fight.
Right. Fight.
Shit.
Fight. I'm gonna go ahead and sip my drink on that though, and anybody who wanna leave, I'm gonna go ahead and give you the room.
The following day.
Good morning, gang. It's Friday, July 30th. It's about 7 a.m. and I'm just up before work this morning, running some early errands. We gonna hit up the bank, and we might even hit up Starbucks, because I'm thinking about treating myself to that caramel cookie crunch. If you know, then you know. But other than that, y'all, we don't have much planned today. We will be making a fruit tray for our picnic to go with our boat ride tomorrow. And other than that, I just want to prepare for our Yoni Steam that we have scheduled with our girl Pink, and just chill and drink some Henny and just turn up a little bit. So I would definitely see my gang later.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna deep, 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 and rock right up to the
Straight out the hood now, roll with the hood down.
minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder would you?
The Yoni Steam was phenomenal, guys. Pink is such a wonderful business owner, and she really knows how to cater to her consumers. We have now made it on the boat ride, and it's time to have some fun and relax.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride.
So right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what? It's you, what we've been through.
It's a dancehall vibes, yeah, yeah. Dancehall vibes, yeah, yeah. It's a dancehall vibes, yeah, yeah. Everybody say, oh, nah, 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 nah. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Nobody for defend the poor and the needy. Who flipping greedy? Locked up so long and full time on no free me. Charge me cause me had them look weedy. Nobody fit talk for the poor and destitute. Only the dictator in a suit. Come with the big dirty rifle for shoot. Nobody fit defend the little ghetto youth. Money better run. Oh, me for work when me can't get none. Hungry a bite and the cornmeal done. Lion dubs I got take with the rich boy one. What is it bugger them want we fi do? When we so poor no even have a clue. Light bill come and mama next rent due. Nothing a dance so what we fi do? Well I just the poor man them system a suck. Can't get no food and we can't get no work. Lion them system corrupt but we copper and let them a go get that enough. Hungry a bite and me brother them a yarn. Mama got hustle from early this man. Life get rougher than 51 storm. All know me sit down and I wait on the calm. Side of them sign them want me want things.
We back at the crib, getting ready to go out to eat to dinner tonight. It's still your girl birthday. We still getting this shit popping in this motherfucker cause your girl 22.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Babe, who's 25?
Oh.
Yeah. We gonna catch y'all at the restaurant, y'all. Just wanted to come in and check in with the fam. Make sure everything's going all right. We lit, we live, we local, and we turn up.
Hold me till I'm free forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want up to lay in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the